Good morning, everybody. It's 10:40 and 11 seconds on July 10th. This is the drawing for the Marvel feature Defenders number 1. Over here on the left-hand side are the 12 filled spots. I don't know what just happened there. Let's scroll up. There are the 12 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. Number is 9. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 9th roll will get the book. I will try to ship it out today on July 10th. Worst case scenario, it will ship out Wednesday, July 11th. Best of luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here's the final one. 9. Spot 5, Josh Santoyo. Congratulations. Time is 10:41 and 8 seconds.